My name is Deep, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a knowledge base to your ProProfs classroom. A knowledge base is a self-service repository of information. It could be frequently asked questions, manuals, or do-it-yourself guides. A knowledge base saves instructors as well as learners tons of time and effort, as it provides what learners are looking for online without the need for instructors to manually guide them at every step. With a knowledge base integrated with your classroom, you never have to answer the same question again. Let's now learn how you can easily enable knowledge base in ProProfs Classroom. To integrate knowledge base with ProProfs Training Maker, go to Classroom, click on Edit, and then Settings. In this box that says Add your knowledge base URL, copy the link to your help site and make sure to save it. That's it! If you're looking to create a knowledge base for your learners from scratch, visit ProProfs and choose one of our ready templates to build a robust help site. You can make it rich by adding presentations, infographics, videos, images, or any other material that can assist your learners in their learning and development. Help and guide your learners by providing them the right information at the right time at the right place. So it's easy to build and add a knowledge base to your online classroom. We're glad that you're using ProProfs. We are here to help if you need us. We have live chat, phone help, and a huge knowledge base. Bye for now!